This is a KBC News Update.
Dreamcar here for the weather update here in Iloilo. We are in during the Typhoon Tino, so you could see the trees down below. It's split in half now, and you could see that it just broke one tree there. Meanwhile, you could see how strong the wind going to the right, and you could see the wind current right now. It's far below the expected rain because due to the typhoon. You could see how strong the pull of the wind. Of course, you look at the trees. In the worst case scenario, this is the worst one. You could tell it's deeply affected here on my on my province right now. Yeah, so we will update you as soon as possible, and I'm Dreamcar, and I will keep you updated as long as the typhoon still continues. This is KBC News.
This is a KBC News Update.